Diba? Kilala ko siyempre si MJ, King of Pop. Diba? Today, we have with us one of the top Pinoy music icons of the 80s. Take note, eto po, he did a Pepsi commercial with the legendary Tina Turner. Wow. And the song, eto naman. The closer I get to touching you, so I get to loving you. Hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. Eto na po, ladies and gentlemen,